How to install and use open source software on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use open source software on Windows. Open source software is a great way to access powerful tools without any cost. We'll cover the basics using a popular example, GIMP, an open source photo editing software. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of the open source software. For example, gimp.org. On the GIMP homepage, click the download button and download the installer, then install and follow the prompts. The GIMP setup wizard will open. Click install and follow the prompts on the screen. After the installation is complete, launch GIMP by double-clicking its icon on your desktop or finding it in your start menu. Upon opening GIMP, you'll see the main interface. To open an image, go to File, Open to select an image from your computer. You can use various tools on the left toolbar for editing, such as the selection, paintbrush, and text tool. To save your edited image, go to File, Export As, choose the desired format and location, then click Export. GIMP, like many other open source programs, has a vast array of features. Spend some time exploring the menus and tools. You can also find tutorials and user guides on the official website or through online communities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.